Unit 5, Lesson 4. 1. Have you ever looked at a map of the United States? How many states have strange shapes? The bottom part of Michigan looks like a mitten. Maine looks like the head of a buffalo. Tennessee is shaped like a sled. Also, California looks like an arm. Try to remember these shapes. They will help you remember the states. From this story, you can tell A. Many states have different shapes. B. Maine has the shape of a mitten. Or C. These shapes will help you forget the states. 2. In Europe, most people eat with the fork held in the left hand. Most Americans hold it in their right hand. Why is it different? In the pioneer days, there was not always enough food to eat, so people ate very fast. They could even eat faster by holding the fork in their right hand. From this story, you can tell A. Pioneers like to eat slowly. B. Everyone holds the fork in his or her left hand. C. Americans and Europeans eat differently. 3. An old fairy tale tells of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. At first, it was not a young girl. Instead, it was an old woman with gray hair. Her name was Silverhair. The story was told through the years. Some people changed the old woman to the young girl. They called her Golden Hair. Later, she was changed and called Goldilocks. From this story, you can tell A. The story of Goldilocks has changed. B. An old woman wrote the story of Goldilocks. Or C. Goldilocks is an old German tale. 4. In 1991, Richard Branson and Per Lindstrand did a brave thing. They flew across the Pacific Ocean. They did not fly in a jet. They crossed the ocean in a hot air balloon. They were the first people to do this. They floated from Japan to Canada. Their trip covered more than 6,000 miles. From this story, you can tell A. The balloon trip was not very long. B. The men traveled very far. Or C. The balloon trip ended in Japan.